Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for watching. And if you've been watching my videos, I really do appreciate it. If you can't tell, I am no longer in Europe and I am finishing the last few videos of my post-Camino wrap-up. In the last video, I stayed at Dower the Middle Door to just take a few days of rest and recovery from my long walk from Porto to Santiago. In this morning's video, I left the Dower the Middle Door and I took a cab to Muxia. It was about 40 euro for that ride. There are options for a bus ride that you can take from Panches to C and then from C to Muxia. In the interest of time, I just opted to take the cab directly to Muxia. Let's take a look as I've arrived in Muxia and I am staying at the Albergue Arribada, which cost me $21.50 US for the night. All right, let's go. I'm in the Albergue Arribada, I believe is how you say it. I just checked in, my bed was ready. It's 11 o'clock, which gives me a whole day in Muxia. Here's my bed for the night. Light, electric, locker. Nice. My home sweet home for the night. Showers and bathroom. It's perfect I got here early because I can video without. Oh, nice big showers. And an elevator. Oh, another. This is beautiful because they actually have a rooftop up here where you can hang your clothes, but it gives you a view of the sea and the mountains. I think I'm gonna be going over that way to the church. Oh, hello, Mr. Seagull. Wow, this is beautiful up here. Never been so close to one before. You're like right there. They're huge here too in Spain. I'm walking to the most northern point on the Camino and from Muxia. Muxia, I think is how you actually say it. Muxia. And I am north, pretty much the most northern point here in Muxia. We're gonna walk down to the church, but the 0 kilometer mile marker for the Camino is located here. Zero. All right, let's go take a walk down there. The name of this lighthouse is Faro de Muxia, which simply means Lighthouse of Muxia. It stands on the edge of the Atlantic coast, and the backdrop of it is the church, the sanctuary of Our Lady of Barca. I sat on these rocks for, I think, a couple hours just listening to the sounds of the waves crashing. This is known as the Sanctuary of Our Lady of a Barca. Barca means boat in Spanish, so Sanctuary of Our Lady of a Boat. In reaching the end of the way, it was the place where the Virgin arrived in a stone boat to inspire courage to the Apostle St. James. As pilgrims reach their original destination of Santiago, many will continue on walking to Muxia and or Fisterra, to the 0-kilometer marker, believed to be at the end of the earth. I'm on my way back to the hostel now, and it's 9 p.m. so I can get a good night's sleep. But it looks like the middle of the day here in Muxia, Spain, as everybody is turned in for the night. It's very quiet and still very light and bright out. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you will like it, and please consider subscribing to my channel. And tomorrow is a new day as we walk from Muxia to Fisterra. So in the beginning of the start of this video, I have so let's take